Hi Mina, Bone 7 Anime Freak here. I wanted to do a review of this ultra kawaii Maid Cosplay, and I'm sorry about the echo in this room. I'm in a studio right now, and I purchased a lot of clothes from eBay, Amazon, and certain Asian websites, and I never really review them. And since I got my implants, a lot of things don't fit me, so if you're like a bustier girl, I kind of want to help you guys. If you're like a curvier girl, I want to help you guys. And I'm semi out of breath because I did a photo shoot right now, and I wanted to show you guys what I was cosplaying as. So this maid outfit, I will put the link down below, and I definitely need to size up. It is definitely way too small. I'll put the size right here. It's definitely way too small. All right, let's see. All right, so this outfit does zip up from the back, and it has a really kawaii maid apron on it. Unfortunately, there are no pockets. It has two cute little crisscrosses on it. It does come with a garter belt. It does come with cuffs, and it does come with a headband. And this is my own. It didn't come with leggings. And it is very tight. And also, I purchased this petticoat. It doesn't come with a petticoat. And if you guys cosplay, and if you do maid cosplay, if you do Lolita cosplay, if you're just a Lolita in general, or any sort of bell-shaped dress, you do need to have a petticoat underneath, because the petticoat just makes everything come to life.